Good morning, class 1 students. I am your Bible teacher, Miss Cecilia. Today we are going to learn Lesson 15, God Forgives, Patianin Angaidam Chin. Esau was very angry when he found out Jacob had tricked his father. Isaac had given the birthright blessing to Jacob. I will hurt Jacob for this, he said. Esau Vatuanin. Jacoban apa abu mani ti asiat khan athina ur em maya chuan pian pui chan vo mal somna apa chuanin Jacoban ne na alo peto boxia hei wang hianin Jacob hi katina donani atiani. Rebecca found out Esau's angry words. Rebecca ichuan Esau thin ur tak thu soi te chu alo shia a. She called Jacob to her. Jacob chu akianga akawa. My son, she said. Kafapa atia, your brother wants to hurt you. You now pa hian ti na chedua. Go away quickly to my brother's house in Haran. Rang takin ka unaw pa ina Harana tlanchiro. When Esau gets over his anger, Esau tinurna te chu are huna, I will send someone to tell you to come back to me. Tu emo nangma shiltur che in ka hne na lo kirle tur shilturin karun tir donya atia. Jacob said goodbye to his father. Jacob chuan apa chu amang tha. Jacob and his mother cried when they said goodbye. Jacob ali anu chu anin mang tha lai chuan an trapa. They did not know that they would never see each other again. Anin mule to ngai don reng lo ani ti an shilo ani. Jacob was sad and afraid as he hurried away. Jacob chu atlan siat lai chuan alungain ahlau ema. Soon it was dark, but he kept going. Kwa chu alo thim thuaya ma se akal zela. He was afraid that Esau would come after him and kill him. Esau chuan ahnunga aron zuinga aron that mayang ti ka hlau emani. He knew he had done wrong to lie to his father. Apa hne na do ta sui kha ati diklawani ti a in sha a. He should have trusted God to take care of the birthright. Pathian ka pian pui chan vo petur khanin alo ring zok turania. Ti kha ashia ani. I am alone without mother or father, he cried. Kanule kapatil lau chuan kamallutuk ani. Even God is not with me anymore. Pathian kakianga to boksi lau atia. All the next day he hurried on. Atuka po chuan chak takinakal zela. He didn't want anyone to see him. Ama khatu mainan mu adu lawani. They might tell Esau where he was. A omnaka Esau ka anlo shilpal thaya. He found a place in the woods to spend the night. Ram hnuaya chuanin riana tur mun kha azong muta ani. He felt he could not pray. Tong trai thei pon a in shelo. He could not sleep. Amu hil thei boxi lava. Then he began calling to God to forgive his sins. Chuti chuan pathian chu aswal tengai dam turin a aw tranta a. At last, with his head on a rock for a pillow, he fell asleep. Atopa chuan lung lukhamatana mangchungin amuhil veta a. God had been with Jacob all the time. Pathian chu Jacob akyanga renga. He had not left him. Akal san reng lawani. He was glad that Jacob was sorry for what he had done. Jacob chuan athil ti swal te a in chirawang chuan pathian chu alom ema. Now God did something special for him. Tuna chuan pathianin thil danglam tak alo ti sakta a. He gave Jacob a beautiful dream. Jacob achu mumang moi takle nuam tak apea. Jacob saw the bottom of a ladder on the ground right beside him. Jacob achuan amumanga chuan leilon atop lampang at mutna bula chuanin amu ani. It went up until the top of the ladder reached heaven. A chauze la chu leilon chip chuanin van athen ma lo zong. Beautiful angels were going up and down the ladder. Angel moi tak tak te chu leilona chuan an chawin an chuk vela. At the very top was God himself. Achi bera chuan pathian a oma. God talked to Jacob in the dream. God pathian chuan in Jacob chu mumanga chuan alobia. He said, Tihian soya, I am with you. I will take care of you wherever you go. Ikianga ka ome ka enkol rengang che khoya po kalla atiani. I will bring you back to this land. I will not leave you. Hele ya hianin herama hian ka shwai kirle ang che ka kalsan ngai lovang che atiani. Jacob woke up happy. Jacob achu lim takin aron thawa. Surely the Lord is in this place and I didn't know it. Helai muna hian pathian chu om nge maya ma se kalo shelawani. God is with me. Pathian chu ka kyanga oma. He has forgiven my sins. Kaswalte min ngai dam ta. I will have only you for my God, he promised. Nang chau hi ka pathian tan ka neng cheti in thu atiama. Before he left, he set up the stone he had used for a pillow. Akal ma chuan alukhamatan ahman lungchu apuna. He named the place Bethel, which means house of God. Chu mun chu Bethel ti na poa a omzia chu pathian in tinani. Then he went happily on his way. He was sure that God was with him. Chu ti chuan hlim takin akal na lam tura akala pathian chu akyanga a omani ti chiang emani. It was a long way to his uncle Laban's house. Apute Labana inchu lat takania thuile meya. Jacob walked and walked. Jacob achu akal zela. When he got there, his uncle was very happy to see him. Chulai mun alo thlen chuan apute achu ama alo mu chu alo hlim ema. Jacob stayed there a long time and worked for Laban. Chulai muna chuan rei tak Jacob achu akhosa a apute Laban tan chuan na atho sak thinani. God blessed all of Jacob's work. Pathian chuan in Jacob an natho zong te chu mal asom thina. He got married and had children. Nupuya neya fate neya. Then he decided to go back to his home in Canaan. A in Canaan chuanin hole turin thu atituta a. His mother had died. Anu chu aboral to a. But his father was still alive. Mase apa chu aladamani. Jacob was afraid of meeting his brother Esau. Jacob chuanin aunaw pa Esau mu chu alawa. Before they met, Jacob prayed all night. Anin mu ma chuan Jacob achu zan kwa in a tong try ni. The next morning Esau forgave him and the brothers were friends again. Atuk zinga chuan Esau chuan angai dama unaw te chu thian tha anlo ni le ta ni. Memory verse: For he will give his angels charge of you to guard you in all your ways. Psalm number 91 verse 11. Write yes or no. Was Esau angry with Jacob? Esau ka Jacob alaka athina urem? Yes. Athina urem emani. Did Jacob see a ladder in his dream? Jacob akan amumanga leilo na muem? Yes. Was Uncle Laban sad to see Jacob? Apute Laban akha Jacob amukan alungayem? No, ahim em zokani. Words to learn: harm, dina, trusting, ring, worksheet. Fill in the blanks using the given words. Laban, Haran, ladder, stone, Esau. heng thu te mang hianin a hnuai kar ol hi dah khat ro. Jacob was afraid of his brother. Jacob a chuan a unau pa hlava. A unau pa chu Esau ani tiro. Jacob went to his uncle's house in. Jacob a chu a uncle ina apute ina khana kala harana akalani tiro. Number 3 a chuan he used a for a pillow at night. Zana khan lukhama khan inge man kha stone ani. Lung kha lukhama mangani. Jacob saw a in his dream. Jacob a chuan amumanga ahmuwa. Ahmu chu nge ladder leilon kha ahmu ni amumanga khan. He worked for his uncle. A uncle tan na athoka apute tan khan. Apute labana tan khan. Tiro.